I've often seen students not putting a full stop or a dot. Why? Because sometimes they forget it. If these are true statements, is she cooking? Is a interrogative sentence. Okay? Hello students, welcome. And today we will discuss what is grammar. So grammar in general is nothing but a set of rules. Every place has a rule. Your school, your house, some are written, some are unwritten rules. In grammar, we have certain written rules that we have to follow. So, by definition, grammar refers to the set of rules and structure that govern the composition of sentences in a language. So, basically, grammar refers to the set of rules that help us to compile a sentence. Without these rules, we cannot compile the sentence. So, for example, let's say I have to say something, board is white. Okay, white is board. Now, this is English. White is board is English actually. But does this sentence make some sense? Or make sense at all? No. Because we are not following the rules of the language itself. So, what are the key elements? So, the first one is correct spelling. Ensuring words are spelled correctly. We need to make sure that words are spelled correctly, that they are what is according to the dictionary, what they are correctly spelled. Okay. Second one is proper punctuation. Using commas, full stop, apostrophes correctly to organize and clarify sentences. We often miss out on punctuation. I've often seen students not putting a full stop or a dot. Why? Because sometimes they forget it. If you don't put proper punctuation, what happens is that the sentence becomes a running sentence and it does not serve its purpose. I've already made videos about grammar, about spelling, and how you can improve your spelling. Okay, please check them out as well. The third one is subject verb agreement. Make sure that the subject and the verb in a sentence agree in terms of number and tense. Make sure the subject and the verb agree. What is the subject? The subject is the person who is doing the work. Verb is the work. Okay. And in terms of tense, what is tense? There are three main tenses: present, past, and future. Okay. The fourth one is pronoun usage. Using pronouns he, she, they correctly. There are three pronouns. He refers to the male. She refers to the female. They mean a group. Okay. Sometimes many people use like they as in when they identify themselves in the third gender as well. Okay. The fifth one is sentence structure. Constructing sentences with clear subjects and using appropriate sentence types. For example, here we have interrogative and declarative sentences. Interrogative is question. We are asking a question. And declarative is a factual statement. He is running. She is cooking. These are true statements. Is she cooking? Is a interrogative sentence. Okay. The sixth one is tense usage. Maintain consistency in verb tenses within a sentence or paragraph. If you are using past tense in a paragraph, use past tense. If you are using present tense, make sure that there is an alignment in tenses. Don't just switch the tenses. Because what happens is that you're not following the proper rules of the grammar. Okay? So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.